ओम यद्विद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। वेदांत परिभाषा there is a question. One is what is sopadika bheda, and so on page 156 सोपाधिकत्वम is उपाधि सत्ता व्याप्य सत्ताकत्वम is सोपाधिकत्वम. उपाधि सत्ता व्याप्य सत्ताकत्वम. So Drishtanta was given. What was the Drishtanta given for Sopadika Bheda?
आकाशस्य घटवादि उपाधिभेदेन भेदः.
आकाश भेद. आकाश भेद is because of the Ghata Bheda. So Ghatakasha, Patakasha, not Ghatakasha, Mathakasha, etc. This is Ekasya Eva Akashasya Ghatadi Upadi Vedena Bheda. This is the Sopadika Bheda. So we saw the Vyapti in that in Tika.
Page 157, Swamiji.
यत्र यत्र आकाशादि भेद सत्ता तत्र तत्र घटादि उपाधि सत्ता इति. सो भेद उपाधि सत्तयोर व्याप्य व्यापक भाव. भेद सत्ता एंड उपाधि सत्ता. सोपाधिक मीन्स देयर वेयर उपाधि इज व्यापक ऑफ द भेद. So question was, okay, I can clarify a little bit. What is Sopadika Bheda? Sopadika Bheda is where Bheda is of lesser degree than Upadhi. Bheda Satta, Akasha Bheda Satta is व्यावहारिक और प्रातिभाषिक.
व्यावहारिक.
How vyavaharika? It is prativasik. Because really there is no Akasha Bheda. Akashadi Bheda Satta is Pratibhasika Satta. whereas upadhi is vyavaharika. So compared to akasha bheda satta, upadhi bheda satta is vyapaka. That is how vyapya vyapaka bhava is given. If you see the definition, upadhi satta vyapya sattakatvam sopadikatvam. It is not between upadhi or bheda. It is between upadhi satta and bheda satta. That is sopadikatvam.
So Swamiji, the Bheda doesn't exist like space, like Akasha or Khata.
What is that? Bheda like?
The Bheda is not like the space, the Akasha or Khata actually have the same degree. So here,
Yeah.
Anoniya Bheda, Anoniya power is only Pradipasika Satta.
Correct. In other words, according to Vedanta, Sopadika Bheda is not real. It is Bheda is only because of the Upadhi, and that Upadhi is not Satyam.
So when we say a tree is not on the earth,
Let me explain. So, for example, they gave the example of Ghata, Akasha, Mathakasha, etc. and the Upadhi, which is Ghata, Matha, etc. So, Vyapti is this. Yatra yatra Akashadi Bheda Satta. Tatra tatra Ghatadi Upadhi Satta. Akashadi Bheda is existing only because of Upadhi. If you remove Upadhi, Akashadi Bheda is not existing. Okay, take it this way. Don't go in Pratibhasik Vyavaharik. Take it this way. Akashadi Bheda is existing only because of Upadhi Bheda. Because of the Upadhi. If Upadhis are removed, Akasha Bheda will not be there. The second Drishtanta was Surya. So, because Jalapatras are there, therefore Surya appears many. So, if Patras are removed, then Surya also will not appear as many. So, here how the Vyapti will be? Yatra yatra
जलभासनभूतत्वं तत्र तत्र सूर्यप्रतिबिम्बत्वम्
Yatra yatra Suryadi Bheda Satta. Tatra tatra
Jalabhajana Satta.
Jalabhajana Satta. Yatra yatra Suryadi Bheda Satta. Surya is only one. If you see Bheda, it is only because there is Jalabhajana, Jalapatra. So, Sopadik Bheda is clear?
Yes, Swamiji.
Swamiji, in Tika, Upadhi Satta Ya Vyapya Satta is given.
Here is page number 156. In Tika, Upadhi, last line in Tika, 156. Upadhi Sattaya Vyapya. This is the reading I have. Somebody says their reading is Upadhi Satta Ya Vyapya Satta. उपाधिसत्तायाः व्याप्य उपाधिसत्तायाः व्याप्यासत्ता
In the paper book is upati satta ya vyapya satta yasya bhedasya tasya bhavastatvam.
उपाधिसत्तायाः व्याप्यासत्ता अच्छा उपाधिसत्ता या व्याप्यासत्ता because उपाधिसत्ता या व्याप्यासत्ता उपाधिसत्ता is vyapya of whoever whichever satta yasya bhedasya that is correct. Upadhi satta, then don't connect ya with that, and if you just say upadhi satta ya vyapya satta, उपाधि सत्ता या व्याप्या सत्ता यस्य भेदस्य तस्य भावः. And if you say upadhi sattayaha vyapya satta, upadhi sattayaha vyapya satta, no, that will not be correct. Because upadhi sattayaha vyapaka satta is what we want. Upadhi satta, no, this upadhi sattayaha vyapya satta. No, okay, leave it this way only. So make a correction. Upadhi satta ya vyapya satta. This is in Kailash Ashram reading.
Yes, sir.
उपाधि सत्ता या व्याप्या सत्ता यस्य भेदस्य तस्य भावः उपाधि सत्ता व्याप्या सत्ता कत्वम् उपाधि सत्ता व्याप्या सत्ता का तस्य भावः तत्वम्. Okay. Next question is how we say in Vayu there is Rupa Atyanta Bhava. So in Brahma there is Jagat Atyanta Bhava. So in Brahma, Jagat Atyanta Bhava is, it is true, because in Rajju, there is Sarpa Atyanta Bhava or not?
Yes, Swamiji.
Is there any time when you see Sarpa in Rajju? Was it there before, in between, later?
No.
So in the same way, in Brahma, there is Traikalika Atyanta Bhava of Jagat. So that Drashtanta is valid Drashtanta. If you say no, but Jagat is Mithya, how do you say Atyanta Bhava? Because Shashavishana, etc., Drashtantas. So then you can say in Brahma there is Paramarthik Jagat Atyanta Bhava. The Vyavaharik Jagat is there. Paramarthikatvena Paramarthika Tadatmyena Pratiyamanam Vyavaharikam Jagat. In this way. So that which is thought of as पारिमार्थिक इट्स अत्यंताभाव, व्यावहारिक जगत इज देयर. But if you see mithya lakshana, so pratipanna upado traikalika nishedha pratiyogitva. This is the mithya lakshana. Pratipanna upado traikalika nishedha pratiyogitva. Mithyatva. So they do traikalika nishedha, which is atyanta. Okay, now, so this shloka you have to remember, akshama bhavatah keyam sadhakatva prakalpane inna pashyasi samsaram tatraiva jnana kalpitam. Okay. Nanu, टीका, page number 157. अभावस्य चातुर्विद्य वर्णनम सिद्धांत अननुरोधी. नृसिंहाश्रमैर अद्वैत दीपिकायां तस्य निराकृतत्वात् इति आशंक्य. This चातुर्विद्य वर्णनम of abhava is against siddhanta. Siddhanta ananurodhi means virodhi. 4 types of abhava. Somebody says it is not accepted in Advaita. Why? Acharya Nrisimha Ashrama. This Nrisimha Ashrama, we saw that Advaita Manjusha, I think, is Advaita Deepika given here. In Brahma Sutra it came. Tasya Nirakratatvat. It is refuted there. Iti ashankya prachinair vyavahritatvat tat pratipadanam na sarvatha siddhanta viruddham. Prachina acharyas, they have used this in their vyavahara. Prachinaihi vyavahritatvat. So its pratipadanam is not sarvatha siddhanta viruddham. Iti ashayanaha. अतएव विवरणे अविद्या अनुमाने प्राग भाव व्यतिरिक्त विशेषणम. अतएव टीका यतो अभावस्य चातुर्विद्यम अतः एव इत्यर्थः. अभाव is accepted by Vedanta Acharyas also. See, Vedanta Acharya will accept it because it is used by Nayayika. So, almost everybody who studied Vedanta had to study Nyaya first. So, they all are familiar with what is Dravya, Guna, 4 Abhava, all that language. And that's why Acharyas, they always use those things, even though Vedanta may not have accepted. And this Acharya, he has written Tika on Panchapadika. So, he has also followed that. And he was also a Nayayika before. So, lot of things which are used in Nyaya, they may use it without hesitation. So, where it is used, in the Moolam it is said, Vivarane. Vivarana, it is on Panchapadika. In that there is one Avidya Anumana. There Praga Bhav Vyatirikta, this Visheshanam is used. So see in Tika. Tathacha Anumanam Vivada Gocharapannam Pramana Jnanam Swa Praga Bhav Vyatirikta Swa Vishaya Avarana Swa Nivartya Swa Deshagata Vastvantara Purvakam Bhavitum Arhati प्रकाशितार्थ प्रकाशकत्वात् अंधकारे प्रथमोत्पन्न प्रदीप प्रभावत इति. This is a prasiddha drishtanta in Vivarana. Vivarana Prasthana. Vivarana Tika is on what? On which text?
Panchapadika.
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 Panchapadika is called Tika. Padmapadacharya ji is the original Tikakara. First Tikakara title he got, because his Tika is on Brahma Sutra Bhashya. So he is the... So in the old text, if you read Tikakara, means they are referring to Padmapadacharya. And if they say Uktam Tikayam, means they are saying it is there in Panchapadika. So otherwise you will wonder Tikayam to which Tika, Bradharanyak Anand Giriji Tika or Chandogya Anand Giriji Tika or Kathopanishad, you will never find. Uktam Tikayam means in Panchapadika Tika. Now where this Anumanam comes, now that you have good idea about Brahma Sutra, means introduction to Brahma Sutra. So where it is said, Ayam idam mamedam iti naisargikoyam laukika vyavaharaha in Adhyasa Bhashya. So where it is said, naisargikoyam laukika vyavaharaha, in that Padmapadacharya ji in Tika, he says, so there is a question, Katham punar naimittika vyavaharasya naisargikatvam. This vyavahara has some nimitta. You are saying naisargikoyam loka vyavahara. It is a nimitta. So he says atra uchyate avashyam eva avidya shaktir bahya adhyatmikeshu vastushu tat swarupa satta matra anubandhini abhyupagantavya. So he says naisarg because of avidya. That is how everywhere we understand and we interpret. Naisargika means naisargikoyam loka vyavahar means avidyaka loka vyavahara. So there is avidya. He says this avidya is mula vidya. To do the siddhi of this mula vidya outside of Shruti. In Shruti it is given as Maya, Mayam tu Prakritim Vidyad ityadi. Vivaranakara does Anumanam, Tathacha Anumanam. And this Mula Vidya is Parinami Upadana Karanam of Jagat. So about this avidya is the Anumanam, Tathacha Anumanam, Vivada Gochara Pramana Jnanam. And it Pramana Jnanam means it is Shruti, this Mula Vidya is Shruti Pramana Siddha. So it is a Pramana Jnana. Swa Pragabha Vyatirikta, comma, Swa Vishaya Avarana, comma, Swa Nivartya and Swa Deshagata Vastu Antara Purvakam. 5 things are given in Sadhya. This is Sadhya. Hetu is aprakashitartha prakashakatvat. Drishtanta is andhakare prathamotpanna pradipa prabhavat. Now, he has done padakritya here. Main thing what we have to use in this context is only one thing, that this Acharya has used Swapragabhava in the Lakshana, in the Sadhya of this Anumana. Which means Pragabhava Shabda Vyavahara has been done by Purva Vedanta Acharyas, like Vivaranakara. That's all we have to know in this context. But Acharya has done Padakritya here, Tikakara. Actually, this whole Padakritya is from Tattvadipanam. Exactly those words are copied here. Anumanam is from Vivarana. Tika is the entire Padakritya is from Tattvadipanam. Vastu Purvakam iti uktau Atma Vastu Purvaka tayaha arthantaratvam. Instead of Vastu Antara Purvakam. Then Atma Vastu is always there. Atma Vastu Purvaka, everything is there. Everything comes only later to Atma. So therefore, Vastu Purvakam, instead of said Vastu Antara Purvakam, there is some other entity following which this Ajnanam is present. Vastu Antara Purvakam Bhavitum Arhati. 1. Chakshuradi Vyavrityartham Swadeshagata. So you do this swa, wherever swa is given, swa means pramana jnanam. This avidya is bhava rupa, not abhava rupa. Mula vidya is bhava rupa. So therefore, it is said swa praga bhav vyatirikta. Otherwise, what is abhava? Abhava is, what is avidya? Avidya is praga bhav of pramana jnanam. Any jnana praga bhava will become ajnanam. So it is said no. So swa means pramana jnanam. Wherever swa is given, it's pramana jnanam. Swa praga bhav vyatirikta. Avidya is different from its praga bhav of jnanam. This is one lakshana. Then swa vishaya avarana. What does avidya do? Swa means pramana jnana. Pramana jnana vishaya avarana is avidya. Let's take Ghata Jnanam for Drishtanta. Ghata Jnana Vishaya is what?
Ghata.
Tasya Avaranam. Ghata Jnana Vishaya Ghata Avaranam is avidya. Then Swanivartya. Swanivartya means this avidya is Pramana Jnana Nivartya. It will be eliminated only by Pramana Jnanam. Vivad Gochara in the Anumanam is avidya. So Pramana Jnanam, Swa Praga Bhav Vyatirikta, Swa Vishaya Avarana, Swa Nivartya. Then Swadesha Gata. Said Swadesha Gata in Padakritya he has said Chakshuradi Vyavrityartham Swadesha Gata. This Ajnanam is Swadesha Gata means Vishaya Desha Gata. Chakshuhu is here. But Ajnanam is Pramata Gata. Ajnanam is in Pramata also. But instead of Pramata Gata, it is said Vishaya Gata. This we have seen earlier. if the ajnanam is understood only within the pramata, then asatvapadaka avarana nivritti will give you the aparoksha jnana. But asatvapadaka avarana nivritti will not give you aparoksha jnana, will give you only paroksha jnana. You need abhana padaka avarana nivritti. That abhana padaka avarana is in Vishaya. This we have discussed, right? In Advaita Siddhi. Yes or no?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji.
So abhana padaka avarana, that's why if the one is in Parvata, asatva padaka avarana is only in Pramata. Pramata will say vanni asti, but there is no contact with the vanni. So abhana padaka avarana nivritti has not taken place. There will be only paroksha jnanam of that vanni. That's what it is. Swa vishaya avarana, swa nivartya, swa deshagata. Swa means vishaya deshagata. Here you should take it that way. In another tika on Vivarana called Ruju Vivaranam, it is said Tathapi. Rajatam arthagatam iti kechit tatra siddhya sadhyata ajñate va antakaranagate tatpariharaya swadeshagata iti. But otherwise swadeshagata, what is given here in this, that is given in Tattvadipanam. Chakshuradi vyavrityartham swadeshagata. And adrishtadika vyavartanaya swanivartya. Adrishtadi vyavartanam. Swanivartya. Swanivartya means ajnanam is only pramana nivartya. Jnana nivartya. Pramana jnana nivartya. Uttara jnana nivartya purva jnana vyavrityartham swavishaya avarana iti. Uttara jnana nivartya purva jnana. Whenever uttara jnana comes, purva jnanam will be eliminated. So it is not that kind of nivritti. Uttara jnana nivartya purva jnanam is not what we are saying. That's why it is said it is swavishaya avarana. Avarana nivritti will happen only through pramana jnanam. And pragabhava vyavrityartham pragabhava iti. So swapragabhava vyatirikta swavishaya avarana swanivartya swadeshagata vastuantara purvakam. Aprakashita artha prakashakatvat. On that they have not given anything in Tika. Here they have given. धारावाहिक द्वितीयादि ज्ञाने व्यभिचार व्यावृत्यर्थम अप्रकाशित. अप्रकाशित अर्थ प्रकाशक. That vastu which is not illumined, it gets illumined. अप्रकाशित अर्थ प्रकाशकत्वात्. अंधकारे प्रथमोत्पन्न प्रदीप प्रभावत. So अंधकारे प्रथम उत्पन्न प्रदीप प्रभावत. In the अंधकार प्रथम उत्पन्न प्रदीप प्रभा. So it is not dharavahika. The first time what is there, that's why dharavahika dvitiyadi jnane vyabhichara. Dvitiya jnanam also can do this. So it is said no, it is aprakashita. अप्रकाशित अर्थ प्रकाशक, not प्रकाशित अर्थ प्रकाशक, अप्रकाशित अर्थ प्रकाशक. Okay, further now. Tattva pradipikayam in Moolam. So if this anumanam is clear, then it is good. If it is not very clear, at least understand this part. This anumanam comes in Viva. It is for avidya anumanam. So when it is said vivad gochara pannam is this ajnanam. That ajnanam, which is mula jnanam, is pramana jnanam. Means shruti pramana siddham in this way. Shruti pramana siddham does not mean its badha will not happen. Jagat is also shruti pramana siddham, because in Shrutis it is said tasmad vaya tasmad ityadi. But Jagat badha is also there. Like that, ajnana badha is there by jnanam. Tattva pradipika means chit sukhi. Tattva pradipikayam avidya lakshane bhavatva visheshanam cha sangachyate. In Tika, Tattva pradipikayam chit sukhacharya kritayam avidya lakshana anadi bhava rupatve sati jnana nivartyatvam avidyatvam. This is the lakshana for avidya. Anadi bhava rupatve sati. So there also anadi bhava. It is bhava rupa. Avidya is bhava rupa. Anadi bhava rupatve sati jnana nivartyatvam. Bhavatva visheshanam is given to refute abhava rupa avidya. Upasamharati evam chaturvida abhavanam yogyanupalabdhya pratitihi. So in this way, chaturvida abhava, 4 types of abhava, abhavanam yogya anupalabdhya pratiti. If there is yogya anupalabdhi, there is pratiti. Tatra anupalabdhir manantaram. And anupalabdhi is another pramana, Anupalabdhi pramana. So right now we are mainly discussing Anupalabdhi pramana. In this only all these discussions come. टीका ननु किम अनुपलब्धेः अभाव प्रमायाम करणांतर अनुपपत्त्याम आंतरत्वम आस्थीयते अनुभव बलाद्वा किम अनुपलब्धेः अभाव प्रमायाम करणांतर अनुपपत्त्या अनुपपत्त्याम आंतरत्वम आस्थीयते अनुपलब्धेः अभाव प्रमायाम इन द अभाव प्रमा करणांतर अनुपपत्त्या देयर इज नो अदर कारण और अनुपलब्धि अभाव प्रमायाम करणांतर अनुपपत्त्याम आंतरत्वम आस्थीयते और अनुभव बलाद्वा because there is no karanantaram therefore antaratvam or because of the anubhava bala there is antaratvam na adhyah. So now this discussion is slightly longer, as you can see the entire next page is only on this. Okay. न आद्यः क्लुप्त प्रमाण भावस्य इंद्रियस्य एव तत्करणत्व संभवात् क्लुप्त प्रमाण भावस्य इंद्रियस्य एव मांतरत्वम is there, no? क्लुप्त में सिद्ध प्रमाण भावस्य इंद्रियस्य एव तत्करणत्व संभवात् Indriya will become karana. For what? So the question is, this anupalabdhi is for abhava prama. Anupalabdhi is pramanam. Abhava is the prama. Prama pramanam. In that, anupalabdehe karanantar anupapatyam अंतरत्वम आस्थीयते और अनुभव बलात् it is considered as antar means antakaranam. Why? Because karanantara anupapatti, there is no other karana available, so karanantara anupapatyam antaratvam आस्थीयते और अनुभव बलात् अंतरत्वम आस्थीयते. This is not because of karanantara anupapatti. क्लुप्त प्रमाण भावस्य इंद्रियस्य एव तत्करणत्व. Indriya becomes the karana. So praman bhavasya indriyasya eva. Indriya will become karana. Up to this let us keep, then elaboration will continue over next couple of days. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।